As you know, time is money in the trucking industry. Downtime is our worst enemy. Without Gabrielli, there would be a whole lot more down than there are right now. My name is Anthony. I work for WinterBros. We are the #1 private sanitation company on Long Island. We're running about 150 trucks right now.
Mi nombre es Gabrielli Delgado, soy mecánico acá por 10 años. Siempre estoy haciendo diagnósticos y trabajo más que todo en los motores, sistemas eléctricos.
Very easy to use. It's basically whatever it says on the screen is what you do. It goes A, B, C, you follow the diagram, you follow the instructions, and it basically tells you what to do and how to do it. At the end, it'll show you, it'll give you a diagram of what parts have to be changed and where they are. It's a very good, very, very good program.
Con Jaltest podemos ir directo al sistema, eso ahorra tiempo. Es más claro los diagramas. Jaltest te indica exacto qué sensores y qué está dañado y tú puedes ir directo y te da la ubicación.
My techs love Gabrielli, and I don't think we'd be able to perform a day without using it at least once or twice.